Hello there. I'm so glad you've joined me today because we're about to step into a world unlike any other. A world where imagination and artistry come together in the most delightful way. Welcome to our claymation adventure, where every detail is lovingly shaped by hand and every moment is filled with wonder. Let's embark on a unique journey to a world crafted entirely from clay. Here, the boundaries between reality and creativity blur, and the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Each piece of this world has been molded with patience and care, inviting you to leave behind the rush of everyday life and enter a place where time seems to slow down. Imagine Norway, a land of breathtaking beauty, where every tree, mountain, and house is sculpted with care. The rolling hills, the majestic fjords, and the charming villages all come alive in vibrant colors and playful shapes. It's as if the spirit of Norway itself has been captured in clay, ready for you to explore. This is a serene adventure, a chance to unwind and appreciate nature's artistry. As you gaze upon these gentle landscapes, you'll feel a sense of calm wash over you. The soft curves of the hills, the delicate patterns of the leaves, and the tranquil waters all invite you to pause, breathe deeply, and simply be present in this magical moment. Picture yourself floating through lush valleys, climbing snowy peaks that glisten in the morning light, and wandering through endless green forests where every leaf and branch is a tiny work of art. Each step you take reveals new wonders, hidden waterfalls, secret meadows, and winding paths that beckon you to explore further. Each scene is a masterpiece, inviting you to pause and admire the details. Notice the way the sunlight dances across the clay, casting gentle shadows and bringing the landscape to life. Every pebble, every blade of grass, and every ripple in the water has been carefully placed to create a world that feels both familiar and fantastical. Notice a clay bird perched on a branch, its tiny wings ready to flutter, or the gentle ripples in a fjord as a soft breeze passes by. These small moments remind us to look closer, to find joy in the little things, and to appreciate the quiet beauty that surrounds us. This journey is about finding peace and wonder in simplicity. In a world that often feels overwhelming, our claymation Norway offers a gentle escape, a place where you can reconnect with your sense of curiosity and rediscover the magic in everyday life. Here, time drifts like a cloud, unhurried and free, and the world is a vibrant painting that invites you to step inside. Let your thoughts wander as you take in the colors and textures, and allow yourself to be swept away by the beauty of this handcrafted land. Our claymation Norway is a gentle reminder of life's simple joys, the laughter of friends, the warmth of sunlight, the comfort of a cozy home. It's a celebration of the moments that make life meaningful, captured in the playful spirit of clay. Let your imagination roam free. Feel the soft clay grass beneath your feet. See the colorful flowers blooming all around, and listen to the quiet hum of nature. Every scene is an invitation to dream, to create, and to see the world with fresh eyes. This is a gift of tranquility, an invitation to see beauty with fresh eyes. As you journey through this claymation Norway, may you find a sense of peace, a spark of inspiration, and a renewed appreciation for the wonders of the world, both real and imagined. Welcome to our claymation Norway. Let's uncover its secrets together, one delightful scene at a time. The adventure is just beginning and there's so much more to discover, so take a deep breath, open your heart to wonder, and let's step into this magical world, hand in hand. Welcome to the heart of Norway, a land where nature's artistry is on full display, and the majestic fjords stretch as far as the eye can see. Here, the landscape is a living sculpture, carved by ancient glaciers and shaped by the patient hands of time. Each fjord is a masterpiece, a testament to the raw power and delicate beauty of the natural world. Imagine deep blue rivers of clay, winding gracefully between towering cliffs that rise like sentinels on either side. The water is so clear and still it becomes a polished mirror, perfectly reflecting the dramatic cliffs and the ever-changing sky above. Every ripple, every reflection, tells a story of the world both above and below the surface, inviting you to look closer and discover hidden wonders. glide silently in a small clay boat, feeling the gentle sway as you move through the tranquil waters. With each stroke, soft ripples spread out, gently disturbing the glassy surface. The cliffs on either side rise higher and higher, their faces streaked with waterfalls that shimmer in the sunlight, cascading down like silver threads from the sky. The air is filled with the soothing sound of water meeting rock, a melody that has played for thousands of years. As you journey deeper, a cool mist drifts across the fjord, wrapping everything in a soft, ethereal veil. The air is pure and crisp, carrying the scent of earth and water. Each layer of clay in the cliffs reveals a chapter of the fjord's ancient history, a record of the forces that shaped this land. It's as if the cliffs themselves are storytellers, whispering tales of ice, wind, and time to those who pause to listen. Life clings to every ledge and crevice. Small, hardy plants find a foothold in the rocky cliffs, their green leaves a vibrant contrast to the gray stone. Goats nimbly traverse the steep slopes, their presence a reminder that even in the most dramatic landscapes, life finds a way to thrive. Birds wheel overhead, their calls echoing off the cliffs, while tiny animals scurry among the undergrowth, adding movement and energy to the scene. Floating through these fjords feels like drifting through a dream, a journey into a world untouched by time. The stillness invites reflection and wonder, encouraging you to slow down and truly appreciate the grandeur around you. These fjords are more than just landscapes, they are masterpieces sculpted over millennia, a living connection to the ancient forces that continue to shape our world. Lift your eyes to Norway's gentle clay mountains, where the landscape rolls in soft, undulating waves of color and texture. These mountains, sculpted from clay, seem to rise effortlessly from the earth, their forms both ancient and ever new. They stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their shapes molded by wind, rain, and the patient hands of nature. Each mountain tells a story, its surface marked by the memory of countless seasons. Their bases are strong and unyielding, anchoring them firmly to the ground, while their peaks reach skyward, crowned with pure white snow that glistens in the morning light. The contrast between the sturdy clay and the delicate snow is a reminder of nature's balance, strength and fragility, endurance and change. These mountains are like friendly giants, their serene faces watching over the valleys below. They invite us to pause, to breathe, and to appreciate the quiet majesty that surrounds us. In their presence, worries seem to melt away, replaced by a sense of calm and wonder. Sunlight dances on the snow, casting soft shadows that shift and change as the day unfolds. The valleys are painted with light and shade, creating a living tapestry that is never the same twice. Imagine yourself climbing one of these mountains, your hands pressing into the cool, smooth clay. With each step, the world below grows smaller, and the horizon expands. The air is crisp, filled with the scent of earth and the promise of discovery. Every turn in the path reveals a new perspective, a fresh vista to admire. At the summit, you stand above it all, the landscape stretching out before you like a handmade map crafted with care and imagination. From this height, you can see the intricate patterns of rivers, forests, and fields, all woven together in a patchwork of color and life. The mountains teach us patience and strength, for they change slowly, adapting to the rhythm of the seasons. In winter they are draped in a soft white blanket, their contours softened by snow. In summer they burst into color with clay flowers blooming along their slopes, a celebration of life's renewal. Each season brings its own beauty, its own lessons. The mountains remind us that change is natural and that every transformation holds the promise of something new and wonderful. These gentle giants, sculpted with care and attention, remind us of the world's enduring beauty. They are a testament to the artistry of nature and to the creativity within us all, waiting to shape our own mountains, one handful of clay at a time. Descend into Norway's lush green clay forests. Tall pines and birches create a canopy of countless green shades. The forest floor is a soft, mossy carpet inviting you to explore. Sunlight filters through leaves, creating dancing patterns. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of pine and earth. Quiet rains, broken only by rustling leaves and birdsong. Discover a clearing where wildflowers add splashes of color. A stream trickles by, offering a perfect spot to rest and reflect. This forest is a sanctuary, a reminder of nature's intricate beauty. Nestled between fjords and forests are Norway's clay villages. Houses painted in bright hues stand against green hills and gray mountains. Smoke curls from chimneys, telling tales of warmth and community. Walk down cobblestone streets where life is slow and friendly. In the village center, a church bell rings, echoing through the valley. Fishermen mend nets by the harbor, part of the village's rhythm. These villages embody simple, happy living, connected to nature and each other. In claymation Norway, seasons transform the landscape. Spring melts snow, revealing earth and new life. Summer brings endless light, with forests lush and meadows vibrant. Autumn paints the world in warm hues, a time of harvest and reflection. Winter blankets everything in white, a time for coziness and stillness. Each season is a masterpiece, with its own beauty and story. As winter nights grow long, the northern lights dance in the sky. Ribbons of green, pink, and purple clay weave a breathtaking ballet. The snowy landscape reflects this magical glow, a dreamlike spectacle. Watching the northern lights fills you with wonder, a reminder of the universe's beauty. Why is this claymation journey so peaceful? It's the softness and gentleness. Rounded peaks, pliable leaves, and smooth water create a soothing world. The slow pace invites us to relax, to be present in the moment. This handmade world encourages us to appreciate artistry and nature. It's a reminder of the peace nature brings, a simple, beautiful ideal. Our claymation journey through Norway ends, but the real world awaits. This trip sparks curiosity, inviting you to explore with wonder. The real Norway is even more majestic, with its own stories to tell. Let this journey inspire you to find beauty in your surroundings, appreciate the world, cherish it, and never stop exploring. Thank you for traveling with me. Now go start your own adventure.